Hi everyone, and thanks for stopping by the Breaking Elegance channel. I am your host Angel, and today we're going to actually be covering the future of this channel on 2022 and going on. Basically, I disappeared for a very long period of time, and sure, I may be a little bit rusty, but I really do enjoy creating video content, and I am extremely sorry for disappearing for a very long time. For anybody who might still be watching, I doubt anyone probably is, but just covering the future of this channel. Basically, we started in 2016, and the vision of the channel at that point in time was to improve your lifestyle with technology, and it's still pretty much the same when it comes to that aspect. It's just how we're going to approach the actual improving your lifestyle with technology. Right now, I really did fall out of love within the last couple of years with the home automation side of technology, just because I feel like it has taken too much power when it comes to collecting data and being able to do that sort of stuff. And it doesn't align with my vision and the way that I see things, especially because I do believe in privacy and I believe that you should own your own data and that sort of stuff. I know a lot of people might not align with that, and that's okay. You may tell me that I'm wearing a tinfoil hat, and that's cool. I don't mind. I'll accept it gladly. But besides that, I do want to give you a vision of what we're actually going to be doing on this channel. So we are still going to help you improve your lifestyle with technology. What we will be doing, though, is using different technologies to actually improve your lifestyle, which actually almost aligns a lot better with our name, Breaking Elegance, which comes from breaking news. It means new, so for breaking, and then elegance, so new elegance. And basically, we are still doing that with technology. We're going to be focusing more on making technology, like maker technology, stuff such as 3D printers and laser engravers and cool things that you can actually put together to improve your lifestyle in your home, probably organizers, things that I might actually be designing myself and also bringing forward to you, the other designs from other people. And that's where we're heading in this channel when it comes to where we're going 2022 and going forward. So really cool technology coming on the channel. If I do find awesome tech that I do find that I would use and it wouldn't be hypocritical of me to actually talk about, I will definitely make videos about those gadgets as well. So stay tuned for those as well. It's not like I'm not going to do any regular tech videos. I will be. I love headphones. I love different audio equipment and things that I feel like might not really intrude and basically siphon your privacy from your home and that sort of stuff, that I will actually be covering. I also am interested in other home automation things that might not intrude with your privacy, and I will be looking into those things. And once I find them, I will put out some great video content for you guys. I hope you guys stick around, and I really hope you enjoy the future videos that I have coming up in the lineup. And I hope everybody has a great new year. And if you're watching this after New Year, I hope you have another great New Year besides this one. But I am more than excited to get the channel relaunched. We're doing a whole rebrand. I'm updating all of the logos. I do all the work at the moment by myself. I do have help from other people, and I want to thank them as well for their support. If you guys want to support the channel, you could do so by hitting that subscribe button below and hitting that like button. And don't forget that bell button so I can keep you updated with the new videos that will be coming to this channel. And like always, you guys have a great one.